Hello again, I'm Bobby Shaw, Director of Facility Services with CFBISD. Joining me from Jackson Construction are Rick Parton and Clint Walker, and we're going to give you an inside look of all the renovation work we've done. So come on in.
Hi, I'm Clint Walker with Jackson Construction. Over the last 18 months, through our partnerships with Huckabee Architects and CFBISD, we've provided a magnitude of upgrades here at R.L. Turner High School. So let's go inside and take a look at all the things that we have provided for the staff and students to enjoy in the upcoming year. So to get us started off, we're here at the main entrance, which has had a new refresh, including new ceramic tile walls, new paint, a new entry vestibule, new secure doors and cameras for staff and student safety. Along with this first phase of construction, we also completely renovated the special ed area for R.L. Turner High School. This included new storefronts, metal ceiling, updated LED lighting, and functional kitchens for staff and student use. We have also provided upgrades to the auditorium, which included new theatrical lighting, rigging, an all-new sound system with house lighting, and new TV monitors across the entire auditorium platform at both entrances and side entrances for viewing pleasure. Part of the Phase 2 scope of work here at Turner was to rework in the two courtyards. As you can see, both courtyards received new concrete sidewalks, new turf, new canopies, and lighting to make these a functional space for students and staff. Just inside the courtyards, you will also find two collaboration spaces for staff and student use. Also a part of Phase 1 out here at R.L. Turner High School was the renovation to the BioMed area. This included a new BioMed skills lab, pharmacy lab, computer lab. This space is also upgraded with vinyl sheet flooring, wall rails to make it have more of a universal hospital feel. Now we're over here at the Academy of Media, Arts and Technology, also known as AMAT. This was part of our fourth phase here at R.L. Turner High School. This section of the building was completely gutted and then rebuilt back in with new HVAC, new lighting, new floors, and new paint. It also contains two new production studios and new computer lab stations for student use.
Hi, I'm Rick Parton with Jackson Construction. We're standing in the Grand Plaza area, aka the Pride Lands. This is definitely one of the highlights for R.L. Turner High School. Here the students learn technical skills, academic skills, and employability skills. It was important for the district to create an area where students will have real-life experiences in a flexible, functional learning spaces with advanced modern equipment. Huckabee completely redesigned this area with new storefront appearance, turf, canopy with lighting, backlit signage, and perforated metal wall panels. The welding area is equipped with 17 fully functional welding booths and mobile welding units in a flexible learning environment with a new air compressor and exhaust duct system. The new vet med area has an operating room with lights and tables, a prep and recovery room, a mock exam room, and indoor and outdoor kennel areas, and a dog wash station. We upgraded and updated the floral design area, adding more space for 2D and 3D arts, which includes a kiln room, large sinks, and new tools. Auto Body and Auto Tech was upgraded with resonance flooring and two new car lifts. And last but not least, Cosmetology received a full facelift with 20 double-sided style stations. Nail area. This area is also open to the community to make appointments. Outdoor Adventure offers instruction on golf, fishing, and archery.
I want to thank everyone for tuning in to this grand opening celebration and last video update here at R.L. Turner High School. I want to thank our exceptional partners at Jackson Construction and Huckabee Architects for bringing this vision to life. And most importantly, I want to thank our community, students, and staff for their support and patience during this process. For more project updates, check out cpbond.com.